Hey friends, this is Miss Sarah from Why Not Academy. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have another BS grammar lesson. Let's go! Most of the time we use the verb begin or start interchangeably. For example, when did you begin learning Spanish? When did you start watching my videos?
Just can't wait for that learning to begin.
Just that begin is more formal than start. However, they do have some differences. The first difference, we use the verb start when we talk about machines. For instance, press this button to start the engine. We don't say press this button to begin the engine. Another example, the printer won't start for some reasons. We don't say the printer won't begin for some reasons.
It attacks when you start the engine.
The second difference, we use the verb start when we talk about creating a new business. For instance, she started a new online business last month. We don't say she began a new online business last month.
I'm going to start a new business.
There you go. That's simple. This is your BS grammar lesson. I know what you were thinking. Not that BS. As I said, bite size. I hope you find this video useful. Give me a thumbs up or type me an emoji. And don't make this mistake again. If you want to learn some more advanced vocabulary, check out my word gym here. Expanding your vocabulary is so important in improving your communication skills. Having a large vocabulary can help you choose the right word or phrase needed for various situations. See you again later for another BS grammar lesson. Bye for now.